reflection about the x-axis. If you have a graph where one function is the exact opposite sign of another function, then the graph of f of x is the same, but reflected over the x-axis. So this is the x-axis, right? So say I have a basic x squared function for f of x. Then if g of x is the negative of f of x, then that means it's going to reflect over the x-axis. So everything is going to look like a reflection in a mirror or in water. Okay, so this example, we want to sketch the graph of h of x, which is negative of the square root of x minus 3 plus 2. So first I can identify my basic function, the square root function, which starts at the origin, and it looks like that. And then I want to identify what's being done to that basic function. So the first thing that's being done is the negative, the reflection. It's a negative of the basic function, so it's going to reflect over the x-axis, which is right there. So let me use a different color here. The origin, and instead of going up this way, we're going to go the other way. We're going to reflect and go this way. So it's a reflection over the x-axis. Okay, but that's not all we're going to do here. So let's look at the other parts. Inside of the basic function, we have subtraction. So inside is a horizontal shift. That means left and right. And it does the opposite of what you think it does. It's minus, so you think it would go left, but it goes the other way, to the right 3 units. And then we have plus 2 outside of the basic function. That's a vertical shift, and it does exactly what it says for the y values, which is up 2 units. So instead of going through that origin there, we're going to go right 3 up 2, and that's our new origin point, or starting point for this square root function. And it's going to have the shape of a reflection going down. So reflection first, and then move that starting point. And that is our shifted and reflected graph.